Hi everyone, here we've got a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the display option. As you can see under the wallpaper we've got sleep, so simply tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now we've got 2 minutes applied, and you can set it because this option is marked, but obviously you can change it. All you have to do is simply tap on the option like to set. So I will pick 10 minutes, let me tap on it, and as you can see it immediately changes, and from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.